What's up, guys? So finally, it looks like Apple's gonna show some love to the Apple TV in 2025. The current Apple TV's been chillin' with that A15 chip for like 3 years now. Still decent, but kinda ancient in tech years. Now, here's the tea. Rumors say the new Apple TV might flex with an A17 Pro chip, maybe even an A18, but I'm betting on the A17 Pro. Why? Because that chip is a beast, and Apple's been hinting hard at turning Apple TV into a legit gaming machine. Imagine playing Resident Evil Village or the new Assassin's Creed right on your TV. Wild, right? Design-wise, it's probably gonna keep the same boxy vibe, but might finally ditch the plastic for metal or recycled materials. Eco-friendly flex, anyone? Also, expect Wi-Fi 6E support. No Wi-Fi 7 hype yet. Gotta keep it real. Price? The current Apple TV is around $130 with 64 GB. The new one could start around $179 to $200 because of the beefier chip and fancier materials. Release? Could drop at WWDC this summer with the new Home OS, or maybe a soft launch later in the year with the iPhone and Apple Watch lineup. Either way, 2025's Apple TV upgrade is definitely happening. Quick heads up, we're running a giveaway for a beefed-up MacBook Air with the M4 chip. Wanna enter? Just drop what tech you're hyped for in 2025 down in the comments. Alright, that's it for today. Smash that like if you're hyped for Apple TV 2025, subscribe for the freshest Apple news, and hit that bell so you don't miss out. Catch you soon. Peace. 22.